Hi guys, we're going to be doing a bit of a vlog today. It's a Saturday today and usually, I think I spoke about this in my last couple of videos, that I'm working Saturdays. I usually film Monday through to Friday and then I spend the evenings editing. So I nearly have like nearly 12-hour days doing this. You know, like some people think, oh, it's only YouTube, it's easy. Do this for a week. Do this for 2 weeks and see how you get on. The next couple of Saturdays I'm going to be filming Christmas videos for Christmas, obviously, because I didn't realise like how close we were to Christmas and I've kind of run out of time. So I have so many Christmas tutorials and ideas that I have, so I'm just really wanting to push them out. But other than that, I've just filmed. I'm going to edit now. I need to tidy my room because my room is still an absolute mess from just filming. So, and then Kyle's coming down this evening. We need to do a wee bit of filming together, so you're going to see Kyle. I have a few surprises from him. Well, it's not really from me, it's actually from Lookfantastic and Mankind. You'll see all about it anyway. And we're also going out tonight. Well, whenever I say out, I mean out for dinner.
I think I ripped that.
What?
I ripped that.
Oh, it's Mummy's. Kyle! Don't! I'm filming! Okay, so this part of the video is in collaboration with Mankind and Lookfantastic. So they were kind enough to give us 2 gift vouchers. One for me to spend £150 on Kyle and for Kyle to spend £150 on me. So it was Thursday whenever I had went on and I had picked some products for Kyle and you were supposed to pick products for me, but
I wouldn't know what I'm picking, so I let Emma pick it.
Okay, so I just picked my own stuff. So this stuff was all gifted from Mankind. Well, all this stuff was actually got off Mankind.
That's a box set.
So that's a box set that I had picked for you. So this is the GQ Essentials box. That's a face mask I got for
Yourself.
the Both Office. I actually used it last night. And it's the Aesop Chamomile Concentrate. And it's actually an anti-blemish mask. So I actually thought that would be good for myself. So it's the Murdoch London Black Tea Body Wash.
And the shampoo to match.
Also, this is a Tommy Hilfiger. What do you actually call a spray for men? It's not aftershave.
Spray.
I just call it spray. So it's the Tommy Hilfiger spray. Can I open it to see what it smells like? Or do you want to open it?
Mine? I'll open it.
But I'm so excited for this. Oh my god! Look at the size of the bottle. Don't be spraying it on me. It smells quite nice actually. What do you think?
It does, aye.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
This set here, if you have like a boyfriend or husband, is honestly so good because it has all these in it. And as I was saying, I think it's only like £30 or something. So it has a Clinique for Men facial scrub, and I think that might be like full size. So obviously like you would use that.
Oh aye, yeah.
Yeah. You wouldn't use this because you obviously don't shave, so it has a Clinique for Men shaving cream. Then it has a Aveda for Men shampoo. So it has 2 products from the Origins. These ones here. So it has the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask, and then it has a Activated Charcoal Mask. I don't really know if you would use these or not, but I've actually used the Origins before and this one here, and it's actually really good, so I might actually take them for myself.
I saw that face.
And then it also has a Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray. We have another wee Clinique for Men charcoal face wash. Another Clinique for Men moisturiser. Isn't that good?
Yeah.
And then we have 2 mini samples of Lab Series. So this is an instant filler moisturiser, and then this is a rescue serum. And you get all of this in this wee box, and as I was saying, it's on like £30. And also I have a discount code. All of these products can be found on Mankind, and I have a discount code for 20% off the entire website. The discount code will be down below in the description box. Why are you looking at me?
I was just like watching you done.
So are you happy with everything?
How am I?
The first one I got was the Too Faced Peaches blush.
Oh.
Smell it. Does it not smell like peaches?
Oh, it smells like peaches.
And then I also got the Glam Glow Essentials masks and moisturisers. I have been dying to try Glam Glow for such a long time now, and it is quite expensive for like some of the masks and the moisturiser, so I just thought I would try some of the minis before I actually spent the money and got a bigger one. So it has a clear, firm, hydrate, detoxify, brighten and moisturise, just in the whole wee set. And then I got the NARS, and it's the Exposed Blush palette. Then that's the inside. Whoa!
Keep going, keep going.
It's because it's raining.
I know, keep going before it gets any darker.
And then I got this from Too Faced, and it's the Hydrate Primer. Again, this is a product I have been dying to try for such a long time now. I also tried this in today's video and it was quite nice. Smelled a wee bit funny though. But that's obviously what the packaging looks like there. This has been out for quite some time, so I'd say some of you probably already know what that looks like. Did you honestly
right.
just squirt that primer on a bit of paper?
Yeah.
Do you know how expensive this is?
No.
This is £55. I'm only joking. Oh no! Can't forget about this.
Oh,
I
no,
was
how can you forget about
actually
Burberry?
sent one of these from Lookfantastic in that Christmas box.
Aye.
So this is actually a Burberry liquid lip velvet. So the one I have is kind of like a mauve pink. It's more of like a rose tone pink actually. So this is in the shade light nude because it's more of a shade that I would wear, and it's actually the one I'm wearing today. But these are absolutely gorgeous. I'll try and swatch it so you can see, but you will see it in the video that I will have up before this one. So that was everything that we got from Lookfantastic. So mine was obviously from Lookfantastic and Kyle's was gifted from Mankind, but it's all still within Lookfantastic. So again, I just want to mention that there will be discount codes in the description box for Mankind, and then for you keep on looking at me.
I know, I'm sorry.
And then obviously for Lookfantastic for yourself, if you want to get any of these products that I did talk about, my discount code is also for 20% off, and it'll be down below in the description box. I just want to mention again that it's not an affiliate code, I'm not paid, and it's not a sponsored video or anything or whatever. We were just kind of like gifted all of this stuff, so everything will be down below in the description box. But yeah, definitely do check out some products from Mankind because there's some really nice wee gift sets, like the one I got for Kyle for like boyfriends, husbands. So yeah, are you happy with your stuff?
Yes, of course I am.
Okay, so now you have to go and use your hair gel. Another thing I'll do is I will also link the makeup tutorial where I was using these products as well down below in the description box if you want to go down and watch that video, and I will also have the discount codes in that video as well.
Peace, mofos.
Will we go and get you dinner now?
Yes! I'm so hungry.
So I just want to give a massive thank you to Lookfantastic for gifting us these gift vouchers and for allowing us to select and pick these products. I really do appreciate it, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know what to say.
That really was sincere. You look tiny.
I know. She's only 5 foot and I'm near 6.
Boom.
What you doing? Are you having a look at your menu? Take it away.
You got the starter? I'm just gonna wait until
I think I might have the nachos. Push out.
So do you enjoy your dinner?
Yes, I did enjoy my dinner. I am stuffed to the brim. I don't actually think I could eat any more.
What was it you had? Chicken strips?
Chicken strips and a bit of mash and tobacco onions and
Garlic
garlic
fries.
cubes, fries,
And-
chips, it's all the same.
And I had mac and cheese, salt and chili chicken,
Yeah,
fries, chips, whatever, and
buffalo sauce.
buffalo sauce. It was actually very nice. I would definitely get that again. Nothing beats mac and cheese and chicken. Well, this is fantastic lighting. It is like the first time I've used my ring light in absolute months since that I now use natural lighting for my videos, but I've literally just got home. It's Sunday, it's 5 o'clock, and yeah, obviously it is pitch black outside. I do apologise that I didn't vlog anymore last night, but obviously we had just came home from dinner to Kyle's house and I just didn't really want to vlog or anything around there. So, and then we have done literally nothing all day. We were just taking it easy. I think we have planned today to go and finish off some of our Christmas shopping, but we actually haven't got anything more to get, thank goodness. I'm gonna try one of the Glam Glow face masks just to see how it is. That's the size of them, by the way. So as I was saying yesterday, they are wee minis. I really like wee minis whenever it comes to skincare, because sometimes skincare can be a wee bit pricey and, you know, God forbid you don't like it and you've just paid like the full price for it, whereas if you get a wee mini, you like it, you can go and buy the full size. I do I do that quite a lot, especially with my Caudalie products. Is it Caudalie? Caudalie? Anyway, that's my favourite skincare brand, and their products are, they're a tad pricey, but I absolutely love them. Everything I've tried from that brand so far I absolutely love, especially their foaming facial wash. It is the best. It is honestly the best. And them products can also be found on Lookfantastic, so if you want to go on and use my code to try some of the products, feel free to. Oh wow. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm also just sitting here waiting on a Chinese as well. My mum and dad's bringing back a Chinese. Like, I've already had dinner already today, but you don't turn down food. What are you playing at? I have to say though, like, this might sound crazy, but I'm not the biggest Chinese fan. Like, I would pass on a Chinese, no bother. I'm more of a chips and burgers kind of gal than Chinese food. I actually really like that mask so far. It actually feels quite nice on my skin, but it has like kind of like a cooling sensation. Don't think I got that in there. Oh, look at my hair, Jen. You know the way some face masks dry down like slightly darker? But yeah, it doesn't even look as if I have a face mask on. That's crazy. But you can definitely see, I can see more now because I couldn't see in the lighting in my room. Shocking. But there's actually like wee exfoliating bits through it, so I'm just going to go and take this off now and see if my skin's all detoxified. Also, this is the foaming facial wash I was talking about. Honestly, it is so worth getting, and I think Lookfantastic always does a deal where you can buy 2 of these, like 2 of the bigger ones. This is the 100ml, I think. Or no, sorry, the 50ml, and like this does me at least a couple of months. I absolutely love it. But they do like a duo, so it's 200ml or 250ml or something, I don't know, for like £22 or something. So it's really worth trying, and you can also just buy this wee one by itself if you just want to try it, obviously. But this is probably one skincare product I would recommend to absolutely everybody. Okay, so this is just some of the makeup that I'm just using in today's tutorial, but I just thought I would show you this product here. So this is the Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's like a body glitter. You can use it on the face, hair, eyes, but it is very chunky, and it's in the shade Bring the Heat. I have swatched it for you, and I just want to show you what it looks like. I'll probably show you better in the lights. Oh, how amazing is that? So yeah, I'm definitely putting that all over my eyes today. Yeah, that's actually incredible. Okay guys, so I have literally just finished filming. I haven't even moved my camera. I'm still sitting in the same position, obviously. You all recognise this. So I am now just going to go and edit. Well, I just need to finish editing a video for tonight and put that up. I don't know what one it is though, but anyway, yeah. I also need to get dressed. I don't really know if I should show you what I look like right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go now guys. I'm probably just going to edit the rest of tonight's video, get that all sorted, and have a wee break to myself, tidy my room up a wee bit because it's an absolute mess with all this filming stuff, and then I shall see you later.